yeah, this is a 2018 F-150. They call it the Black Widow. Looks pretty cool, huh? It's got nice rims on it, nice calipers. Truck comes lifted from whatever conversion they did. Really nice. Makes you want to go out and get one. But anyway, this one has the the remote control with the remote start and everything. Okay, we did a shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. That way he doesn't have to carry another key fob with the remote control. Basically, it has a factory alarm, so he has everything almost, with the exception of any type of impact sensor to protect the rims and the glass and whatnot. So if anybody walks up without it, you can pretty much take a baseball bat, destroy the whole truck. As long as you don't open any of the doors, nothing will happen. By adding the shock sensor add-on, it gives you that aftermarket alarm system without having to install the alarm. Just to add on to the factory. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and trigger it. Okay. So yeah, that's basically it. We add the shock sensor and it will protect your whole car from bumper to bumper. The sensor is fully adjustable, so you can adjust it yourself and you can make it more sensitive and less sensitive. It all depends where you live. This is a shock sensor add-on to this Ford F-150 Black Widow. Thank you for watching this video.